All right, for dinner tonight, we are going to be making some turkey tacos. So we have some organic ground turkey. We have some low-carb tortillas, spinach, cilantro, and then I also have some chopped peppers and a little bit of red onion. I'm going to put it and sauteed in the turkey. I think it'll be a really good flavor. So this is kind of like a low-carb turkey tacos. It's also low-calorie as well. I found this recipe. If you guys remember that first chicken healthy dish I did a few weeks ago, the same guy, and I thought I would just try his idea, but no cheese, no sour cream, but we'll probably add some salsa. All right, the turkey meat is done. Looks really good. Now we're gonna make the tacos. Now this is from a video, and I'll just copy what he did because I thought it'd be kind of different. You know, I just make my own tacos, but I'll just do something that he does. These are all, this is spinach, by the way. This is how he did it. So these are low carb and also low calorie. All right, now we're gonna add some meat on here. I don't have any salsa or tomatoes. I thought I did, and I don't. And I wanted to do a chip and salsa video tonight, and I don't want to eat chips by itself, so that kind of does suck. So we're just doing tacos tonight to show you how to make a low calorie and low carb taco. And we just top it off with a little bit of cilantro. And we're ready to eat. All right, guys, here we go. I have a different angle. I kind of miss filming the kitchen background, and it's also a different angle that I don't normally do, but this is how it worked out today. So, turkey tacos. Can't wait to get this started. Yeah, I'm gonna be adding some Taco Bell mild sauce because I don't have any salsa. But if you wonder why I did a certain way of tacos like this was from a YouTube video, and I thought I would just try something different than my normal tacos. No cheese, no sour cream. So this is very low calorie. So, a little salsa. So, I'm excited to try the first bite. Let's try it out. Yum. Yummy, yum, yum. The first thing I did, I could taste this as cilantro. It's really good. Kind of wish I did have sour cream. Really good. Better than Taco Bell. Water. So in case you guys are new, I recently did a collab. I might have a few subscribers. I've been trying to eat a little healthier here and there, although I've been struggling. I want to do low carb every day, but it's just really, really hard. I think on the weekend I kind of cheated a little bit, and then yesterday was Monday. I was a bad day, man. I had 2 corn dogs from Trader Joe's for lunch because I just really wanted to. I used up these corn dogs from Trader Joe's. They were in the freezer for several months. And for dinner, I didn't really have time to make anything super healthy because I had a recline at 6, and I was so hungry. I could not wait until like 2 hours later. So I went to Subway on the way to my Ricky client, and I had a turkey and cheese sandwich, but I took off the top bun, so I just had like half the carbs. But this is an interesting way to make tacos. It's healthier. There's spinach in here. It's really good. That's really good, actually. So today was a crazy day. Filming this on a Tuesday. Today was a crazy day because on my way to work, I had a flat tire. Not only was flat, it was like no tire. I never had that happen before, like ever. So luckily, I work at a car dealership, and they were able to get me a tire today. I got it by 5:30, a little bit after. I got to work late, hour and a half late. It was just really stressful to be driving. And I pulled over. I called AAA. They were able. I didn't think I had a spare, but he said, "Are you sure you don't have a spare?" So he did change the spare for me. And I told my work, do you guys have the tire? Like, we can order one today. I was like, cool. So I got my tire fixed today, but that was kind of stressful. I really like the kitchen background. So I took a little bit while to set up because I did my thumbnail facing this wall. Because one of my subscribers, her name is Justine, she's on my thumbnails. If you're watching, thank you, Justine. You did a great job. She does them for free. She just really wants to do them. So thank you so much. But anyway, she really prefers the blank wall first when I take a picture for the thumbnail. And I think I do too. Because I was doing thumbnails before, and it's just really hard to do a thumbnail when you have a kitchen in the background. So she can make titles better if it was up more like this. So, but yeah, I like the kitchen background a lot, especially when I'm cooking. It's kind of cool, and especially when you're cooking and everything. Not bad, guys. Not bad. Healthy, low carb, low calorie too. So I put these tortillas in the oven. I didn't really film that part, but this one's kind of crunchy. If I put them in oil, it'd be more fattening. It's more healthier, Put need a little more sauce. I found out today that my nephew is going to quit his job, the job in Pleasanton. That is the same city I worked at Walmart before I took this other Walmart job, and I quit as well. It is really far. He just wanted extra money, but the gas prices doesn't make sense to go that far out. So tomorrow, I don't know what I'm going to do for dinner. I could have these again, but I might just do like a taco burrito bowl. If I have time, I might film it. I'm not sure. I don't know. Somebody commented that the low carb tortillas are really good, but if there's also a person commented and they said they get born bloated with flour, and I do too. Oh, speaking of bloating, that Karebear pizza was really, really good from Hot Pizza. It was really, really good. But I was very bloated after the pizza. Very bloated. More bloated than regular pizza. And I think it's because I checked the ingredients. It has a lot of rice flour, and I get bloated when I have rice, so when I ate it, it was great. And I was like, it's bloated, whatever. It's pizza. But I don't know. I didn't like the way it felt after the pizza. I think it was just too much rice. Yeah, these are good. I did a lot of seasoning to the turkey, because turkey takes a while to season. Like beef is already natural season, so by itself it's plain. But I added salt, pepper, 21 seasoning salad from Cheddar Joe's, and some garlic and some onions and bell peppers. So I think it's pretty good actually. Not bad. Last one is add a little more extra sauce. So this is my first mukbang video with my new hair. I know what you guys think of it. It's definitely shorter. And it's definitely, the color is a little bit different. They have a little bit color. This part right here and the roots, I think a little bit more reddish than this part. But the good news, guys, is I've been having such a hard time combing my hair. It's just so knotty. I even told the girl, before I see this hairstylist, I have to wash my hair and put organ oil. Otherwise, it's just too knotty. So she started cutting. She's like, "Wow, you have a lot of split in it." She's like, "You definitely need a haircut." And I was like, "I already had a haircut, but I had it down the street for $12. So maybe I needed like a better haircut." So yeah, so she cut my hair. It felt very light, and like when I combed it next after my haircut, I couldn't believe it. I can comb it without it being knotty. I couldn't believe it. All I needed was the haircut. I don't need organ oil or any other supplies for my hair to be manageably. Or whatever. I don't know. I just couldn't believe all I needed was a haircut, and then my hair. I can comb my hair now. I could comb my hair before, but it just was just so knotty. Oh my god, it was just so knotty. I had to put a bunch of organ oil, and it just took a while to it took a while. But it was cool. But this hairstylist, I'm taking food bites, I'll talk about this hairstylist. Okay. I forgot to tell you, if you have 2 of these, maybe look extra meat, it's 450 calories. I had 3 because I wanted to make like a better mukbang video, 3. A little bit less meat than he did in the video. But I think this hairstylist is the right person for me. The problem is she just moved to Texas, but she wants to fly out for 9 days out of the month and still do her hairstyle business. She averaged it out, and she could still make it ends meet by doing this. And I asked her, why don't you just get some new clients that you in Texas? She's like, no, I don't want to. I want to see my clients, because she's been working on these clients for years and years. She's been doing hair for like 27 years or something like that. I just feel like this, how long is she gonna be able to do that? I mean, if she was late for my appointment because she missed her plane. She just moved to Texas two weeks ago. I'm just like, I don't know how that's gonna work out, but I guess she said she doesn't, something else, she was sick of California or something. I'm not really sure what she said, but something about California, and she wanted to get out. A lot of people are moving to Texas from, not a lot, but some people in California are moving to Texas. Hopefully she can keep it up. I still would love to see her, but I just don't see how somebody would do that. I don't know. I wouldn't want to do that. I would have wanted to just be at home. I mean, I'd rather work 2 jobs and go from one state, fly to another state, you know. But she said several people are doing that. So, in fact, one guy, my sister's husband's co-worker does that. He lives in Arizona because he can't afford California, but he flies out every week. He stays and he works in California. I'm just like, he's boss. I don't know how I could do that. I like where I live, so I'm staying here. Because a lot of subscribers want me to move out of California. It's my decision. Alright guys, that was really good. You should try it if you want to eat healthier. Try these turkey tacos. And I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.